So, good evening everybody. In this class, I am going to discuss about a topic known as object-oriented programming concepts. So, it is one of the main topic in object-oriented programming. So, we already know the main programming languages that support OOPS are Java, C++, etc. So, now we are going to discuss the important concepts of object-oriented programming. So, the main concepts are object, class, data abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance and polymorphism. So now I am going to explain each one with the help of a real-time example. So first we are going to start discussion about the term object. So you already know that this item is a pen and its brand name is Reynolds. So this Reynolds pen having their own identifier and their own attributes and methods. So we already know the concept of object. So we already discussed object is a real world entity and it has identifier, attributes and methods. So now I am going to say that this is an example for an object. So the name of this object is Reynolds and the properties are its color, the color of inks, etc. The main methods are with the help of this we can able to perform writing. So now, that's about the term object. And next I am going to explain another important concept, class. So class means a collection of objects having common structure and behavior. Example, so this is a Reynolds. So we are calling this is one of the instance of a class pen. So because like that we have so many pens are available, that is Reynolds, automatic, Parker, etc. That is, a class is a collection of objects having common structure and behavior. And next is, another important concept is data abstraction. So data abstraction means we are explaining the external information but we are hiding the internal information. So for example, I am going to explain this concept again with the help of an example pen. So with the help of this we can be able to perform writing. So we have some output, that is we can see the handwriting and also letters that is coming from this pen, but we don't know what will happen inside. So that concept is known as data abstraction. And next is encapsulation. So encapsulation is again another important concept of OOPS. So it is a warping up of data and functions together. For example, so assume that this is a pen. So I am just taken the top, tube and body, nib, etc. So now it is not an object. So now I am going to combine all this together. So that is, I am going to combining all the components together. That is nib, pen, ink and top and body. So now with the help of this we can able to perform the writing operation. So that is, this concept is known as encapsulation, that is warping up of data and functions together. And another important concept is polymorphism. So we can view that we have so many pens that is coming from Lexi. So and here the Lexi having different colors or ink having different colors, like we have a Lexi pen having a blue color, black, red and also green. So that is one in many form. This concept is known as object polymorphism. And last concept is inheritance. So inheritance means we are going to derive a new class from old class. So we are calling the old class as a base class and new class as a derived class. So for example, I am going to explain this with the help of this pen. So in all times this pen having different color and different body shape and different ink size or nib size, but now it is changed. That is, we are constructed a new class from the old one, but the new class having the properties of old class and also it has some additional properties of that particular class. So this concept is known as inheritance. So we have different approaches are there for implementing inheritance. That is, we have single inheritance, we have multiple inheritance, and we have hierarchical inheritance, and we have hybrid inheritance. So another example of inheritance is we have a car like Maruti i10. So it is an old version. So nowadays the i20 is available. So i20 means these are the new version and this is a new class. But this class is derives some properties of i10 and i20 also having some properties. So here the i10 is known as derived class, base class, and i20 we are calling as a derived class. So this is known as inheritance. So these are the important concept of object-oriented programming. Thank you.